Hello, this is Sandani. Welcome to Techno World UK. Today I'm going to present a very handy mini computer, AK1 mini PC, 8GB RAM, 120GB ROM, Windows 10 Pro, Celeron. Let's see it in one go. Above this PC, the brand is ACEPC CPU model Celeron J3455 RAM size 8GB, RAM installed size 8GB, graphics Coprocessor Intel HD graphics 500, double HDMIColourWins 10 Pro 8GB plus 120GB computer memory, type-DDR3 SDRAMConnectivity, TypeBluetooth, Wi-Fi, hard disk, descriptionMSATAWireless, TypeBluetooth. If you like to buy or visit this product, please go to my description box and click the link for the website where you can buy it as well. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, and any like or comments will be highly appreciated. See you in next techno. Till then, you take care. Bye now.